Tem motime maraj ikom Bobi Gulu sitene ki planning ki sen Monica dare Johnny egi mabe kwano nyinge gen gi ngeyo dian lokke planning e wen tum ki sen Monica ka ini neno mot chente mone makiberu katimani kitika pledging e boda Buno chente makimiyo pledge ni michero kami aranyi ki t-shirt ma ini neno ki kuonge kimiyo t-shirt pong 7 gen Mia Beach ma honorable kwa incumbent Matie Sitima ya Gulu ni tika miyo ne kidong chente magunya eno kwa bono miyo pledges magu miyo eno ni mapenduzi endong late dano lunch kono kinga gini ini ka ini ngeo analyzing Jimmy chidong chugo chikama leng ni John ne eguni weng ena jo magu ka planning pilwen ikom Bobi dak pilwen ikom Bobi ke kan et lwen ikom twarwa tikilo tenwa yo marach mi fami tong marach loyo inoni tano chalo gonya ini tika piem dana mi bere setemaya firi tika biena chika do chao involving yourself in lok me planning mo marach ikom kara tidong ka wakero kom do betim wanini pati ka lok machalo an bena tingar chel ma tika chung setemaya nyati lok chwin mo marach nyo wakati lok kum Johnny pingone an ba tipien no but the fact is gini em ni pebe because ino kwa itila tera in gonya itika biono itela mapenduzi tila tela tong chake nini niko por ni Bobi wine tika biono kado ngono chere uchak ti mujim guni emani kejo mo kene tie mapa mer mo nyingi mago ber tente kati mujim mo kene do mer wache bana ki boda ni won po mer wek ti yo maraj ni ko mi yo ranyi gena kelo wai guri ena ye mo me wa family wa kilo tem chene mo ke kan ma kire ke ket matit ni chene ene pe la ko ni na pe be do ko ni Chio mer wo be riak ingo ma wate mo kawaga mo bana chante wo be riak peke luany piti ki boda mi chako timo Jimmy maraju wiro kogi iba mi luany ikare kom rally palu pa jomo kenne ni kom Bobi wine kar ne ene kar ma kira ini de kira mero. This is the rise of Ugandans against this regime. Kira inde tim no. Maracha dong loyo. Ena ne dul money kadas man ma patoni kitara gen. Kadas mana ki training gen mere en waji tim en mere ni. Kipo kiudo wono ngeyo keto planning kero no kero briefing weng wono ngeyo keto jim no tim kero wan po ngeyo kage poko wudo chako ko rekin peng chako go dang tum la hivi kumbugum ni no mon tie ko nyu police kichwele wanyim item kimiri pa jo mano mirgi tie minyo to kimu 7 ni giti katich mabe eto ini bichere to kus dano no do cha dano rumu ba no ke goy bu kine ko no tiga tich mi chopo miri pangat mo mapebe wo cha ko chalo jo mamero kuch mono kono wiye kena aramet na waje tuero teaching dano nen ko bedi chani Kampala nakawa to beti ma ana logo ni Kampala nakawa no kilorio kegen yo epo eto Bobi dano ma pon kono bubo e policho kompete to beti ka wati ka chana nakawa ma ana chao recording mo ande da ina no so tim marra juni bana ong dong wi ro po chaka ke ia chuli pe ke bin ke tim gini kan bano lo en kan ye ka tim tim marra pengo so one pe ke romo gengo wa ki mirwa yo mir palwa eno ni ki no petwer so lega na tia yene wo beru mawa riek ikuini
Ababa pagamente mi beru kavoro dano iko malo mi Uganda oberu ni ria me avulu undongo po time lok mi chiero il pati irali e hotels weng otika joko dana one peke mi hotels ki Bobi Wine Gulu po cheringo irali pa Bobi Wine inenda bicher hotels when otika word po me hotels ki Bobi Wine. What kind of democracy is that? What kind of democracy is that? Somebody has come on a very good faith that let me contest on a ballot paper and then I become the president of this country. And you know very well that even if the passion campaign like what, you are still going to reach the vote. You will reach his vote. Still, you don't want the passion to come and really carry on with his rally. You are against the people power. You are against the Bobi Wine. What kind of democracy is that? This is a dictatorship. You are dictating. No. You are trying to dictate against the citizen of this country, but not only on Bobi Wine. What you are doing is wrong plus. Look at the heavy machines you are deploying, the armor-clad vehicles and the car speed. You are just deploying and wasting the government taxpayers' money just on fueling the motorcycles, and then facilitating the soldiers and the police just on one passion. This is where I really I can say the regime has is coming to an end. The regime is coming to an end. This is terrible. You are wasting our resources just on one passion called Shagolani Bobi Wine. Heavy deployment countrywide, wherever he's going for his campaign. It's very wrong. Very wrong. There's no way you can fight us in such a manner. Imagine all the vehicles being deployed just on one passion, and you are wasting our resources. You are wasting the government whatever vehicles on just one passion candidate. And by law, is allowed to carry on with his campaign. Why are you blocking Bobi Wine in whatever campaign is going for? He's allowed to do the campaign. Do you want him to join the booth like the way you did? Not everybody should go to the booth and become the president. He's trying to do this on a very good note, with a clean heart. That let me contest and I become the president of this country. Again, you are against it. No. This is really a kind of abomination and a kind of dictatorship. We don't want. However much you are trying to do this, remember that God is not going to support you. However much you continue doing this, you know that you are violating the rights of the citizens of this country. If you are out of idea, leave power. If you don't know what to do, please leave power. And don't stop utilizing our youths who are also vulnerable and you by giving them small money to come and dictate on your behalf that don't go to Bobi Wine's rally. Hopeless. That is foolery. Do you want everybody to go to the bush to fight like you? Hopeless. Come back to your senses, you people who are doing this kind of hooliganism. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there, and I want to put on that red beret, and I will be there. I'm telling you, this is too much, and everybody is convinced about this. They are very contented with what is going on. Nobody can talk about it. Me, as an upcoming Gulu city mayor, I don't fear anything. This is a crime. This is a violation of the rights, the human rights, and the citizens' rights. I don't want this to happen. You cannot even kill everybody. You cannot kill all of us. This is a new generation you are fighting. You are not fighting Bobi Wine, but you are fighting this generation. And this is the time for this generation. Whether you like it or not, it is our generation. And it is time for us to wake up and begin to fight for our own rights, irrespective of the heavy machine guns, the heavy vehicles you are deploying, and everything you are doing. We are not going to accept that. Let us carry on with a free and fair election minus intimidations and crackdown of the opposition members. You went and raided the office of the Nuke in Gulu. This is very wrong. It must stop. It must stop. Don't think that you wear the style you used to go to the bush, people cannot do. You are fighting the innocent Ugandans, the innocent generation, the innocent civilian, purposely because you are in power. No, what you did and what forced you to go to the bush can also, any Ugandan can also do the same. But we are saying no, let us go into balloting and we see who is who. Let us stop intimidation. Not only Bobi Wine you are fighting, but you are fighting the new generation which is currently on. Honorable Obonyo Patrick Waurach, Gulu City Mayor.